Man, what's poppin'? Retro family, retro game. Hey, see what's going on? Got my guy Munchie Buck, New York in the building, stand up. He brought some heat. Before we even get into it, hey bro, tell them people about what you got going on, fam.
Yo, it's the boy Munch, aka Munchie Buck, you know, just on my music shit, behind the scenes type shit, Too Hard for College shit, Too Hard for College 3, right here, you know what I mean, everywhere, go check it out, iTunes, Tidal, anywhere you get your music from.
Tidal?
Yeah, everywhere, I got it everywhere, go check it out. Too Hard for College 3, the EP edition, Munchie Bucks, MUNCHYBUCCS, check out the music, let me know what's good.
I'm gonna leave everything below, no worries, man. I'm not finna hold y'all up. If I got somebody in this shoebox, look, gang, family, y'all know what's going on by now, man. My guy Munchie Bucks here from NYC. Been in Atlanta for a while, man. Behind the scenes, when I say behind the scenes, I gave him a nickname to GOAT. That's my personal opinion. Cause my guy really ain't a sneakerhead like that. We met in line on some the sneaker pop up Atlanta?
Yeah.
You want to talk about that?
Yeah, like this dude, seen this dude,
Go ahead, talk to him.
he was cutting it around with his came through with his camera. I'm like, who the fuck is this dude with his camera and all that? Cut in front of somebody else. I'm like, yo, who the hell is this? I'm talking to my boy Neff. My boy Neff like, yo, so holla at him. So I holla at him, let him know when I came out. I'm like, yo. Next time I seen him, I was like, yo, there ain't nothing in there. So then from there, we just got
linked
cool.
up, man.
We
Linked
got
up.
cool with him and a couple of other homies.
Hey, the Shoe Butler, shout out to the Shoe Butler, Drake. Y'all know what's going on, low keys. I'm talking retro family, retro game now. When I do this, people come to my shoe box like the Shoe Butler. Now we got Munchie Bucks. These people be in line when I'm not in line and vice versa. My boy so slick with it, he don't even do lines no more. My boy do raffles, man. I'm not finna hold y'all up. I'm gonna start bringing some heat out. By the thumbnail by now, y'all should know what's going on, man. Heat check. Retro Rick, Maddie's Kicks, Munchie Bucks in the building. Let's get it, man. Hey, very, very rare pair, man. Explain to them people how you got this pair.
What size is that? I'll tell you right now.
Size 10.
That's my size. So, this is the reflective Yeezy low marks or whatever. Me and Shorty took her to go do the raffle at Social Status out here in Atlanta. You know what I mean? Did the raffle, had to donate some clothes. We caught the 10 in my size. She caught the 9 in her size right here.
So we got 2 pairs on there.
Two pairs.
And when you had to what, donate clothes
yeah,
articles?
we just donated some clothes.
So you know what? Hey, look, man.
Social Status, they official.
Social Status, I don't want to hear nothing about when people enter raffles. Cause I'm gonna string y'all along. I'm gonna show y'all why I call my man the GOAT in a little while. Stick with us on this Vigi game. Second pair here. He got both. Look, both with Social Status, man. Both raffle.
This is my shorty pair. She got her size 9. I got my size 10. We both did the raffle. Both donated some clothes. We just so happened both of us won the joint. You know what I mean?
Hey, so look, I like it just because you know what I'm saying. How they did it. My bad, gang. So look. You know, the reason why I like it because the key word, they said they donated. My man Ben donated, just to let y'all know, look, every time I have a give back, we doing something to help out the less unfortunate, Munch is always there. You know, if he not there, he gonna send me something to make sure my hood heat. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I apologize, eat. So we gonna get right into this. So the reason why I call my man the GOAT, Social Status, I just showed you 2 pairs. People like, oh, ain't nobody hit the Travis Scott. We got a Travis Scott. You know what's going on with my pair, right? When I get the 5K, we're going to do the giveaway. My boy Munchie Bucks, you got to check out the feed. It's still on the feed on IG, Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. You're going to see my boy with this pair right here, man. Come on, man. Talk to him. Grab the other one, homie. Come on, man.
Y'all already know what this is, so I ain't really got to get too much in detail with that.
Hey, you see what I'm doing? He can talk. I'm going to, you see what I'm let him talk.
Another raffle before these Yeezy Low Mark reflective joints, couple months prior, you know when these joints came out. Got these from Amar Moyer. Dumb and Social Status is pretty much same company.
Sister company.
Yeah, they got the same owners, and one he's on a raffle too. You know what I'm saying? So
sheesh.
That's what it is. You already know.
Sheesh. Hey, if you don't know, I got all this heat at the top and at the bottom because this is the official Give Back channel. My boy got the reflectors. I ain't got the reflectors. I got the regular pair. That's a size 7. That's a money size. Me and the Shoe Butler. Look, Josh and Gal, as well as Munchie Bucks, we're working out a giveaway on that one. it's gonna be, trust me, when y'all see it, it might be Yeezy versus Jordan. But when you see it, enter. You look, everybody know all my raffles and giveaways, they're official. That's why I got an official guy in here, Munchie Bucks, man. Point blank, period, man.
To keep it all the way funky, I'm not a sneakerhead.
At all.
My homies was dodging feds. I ain't a sneakerhead. Like, I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. Like, this just what happens when you get into something and you do it. Like, you put your energy, low energy into it, just be the result. But it's whatever at the end of the day. Like, I don't get it, I ain't crying and all that. It is
facts,
what it is.
Facts. And that's what I was telling them. So look, when we started the, you know what I'm saying, the little game, when we got in line, let me tell them something real quick. I always tell them, and everybody in the game, man, you know, you get what you put out. And what I mean by that, this man has stood along me at the pop-up. Shout out to Kyle 42, man. And everybody that shot with us on IG when we was at the pop-up for them 90-plus days, we was swiping cards to make sure everybody got what they want for retail or under.
Retail.
Courtesy of Munchie Bucks, Maddie, and Retro Rick.
He's staying up there for hours.
Hours.
I'm like, somebody calling, like, yo, tell me what size they want. I'm in the joint, like, yo,
swiping cards. We making sure it go through.
Yo, like,
hey, y'all sub up, man. Y'all stop sleeping on the kid, man. Retro Rick and Maddie's official. Munchie's official.
And another thing you forgot to tell about I know we did the video about it before we went to the event at MMRE and you got that raffle.
Oh, yeah. Matter of fact, I want to reach. I got it. Do I got it right here? Yeah, I got it right here. I think I got it. Is this a special one? Yes, they are. Hey, look, man, I didn't plan that. I got this pair from Amon here. Me and my guys standing in the raffle. I think it was.
We just went to the event and they was giving out the tickets.
The tickets. I was maybe 1 and 2 in line, or 2 and 3, vice versa. I got the winning ticket for this free. Once again, shout out to Amon here. These pairs are so exclusive. Check out the Vigi, man. I did the Vigi on this. So when all these people say about raffles, you can't win, you can't do this, can't do that, man, get out of here, man.
But I seen this dude like give away so much stuff. Like, forget about retail, just giving stuff away, helping the less unfortunate, feeding the homeless, and this is just the fruits of his, you know, of his labor, the rewards of it. You know what I mean? So people gotta understand, the more you give, the more you receive. It's just a universal law. It ain't even about no sneakers. It's just about real life stuff. So that's what it's about. So you see this? This ain't really nothing. Like, this is just sneakers. Like, it ain't even that.
They're shoes at the end of the day, man. At the end of the day. I'm a sneakerhead. Look, my guy is a sneakerhead. Hold on. Retro Rick is a sneakerhead. But at the end of the day, fam, y'all know what I say. They just sneakers. And what I mean by that, like, easy come, easy go. Look, if I ain't got it like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to go spend $3,000, $4,000 for one pair of shoes. I can go help my hood out with that. Point blank, period. Like, but my guy got heat. Like, we got
all these joints, Come on,
it's
just like, we know this brand is worth money and all that. But at the end of the day, this came from doing other stuff, helping out people,
cooking,
and then you just stuff just comes to you for what you put out, like Rick said. So it's like, if you want to give, you know what I'm saying? And that's what it's about at the end of the day. Because we all need help from somebody in one way or another. You know?
Hey,
so
look,
that's what it's
hey,
about.
Check this out, man. I can't let my boy leave. I know he ain't gonna drop no bars or nothing like that, but I need y'all to do me a favor, man. Y'all see this? Y'all, come on, man. Sub up. This on YouTube?
This on YouTube, but you could go on iTunes, GooglePlay, Amazon, Tidal, Spotify. It's everywhere, man. You already know. Munchie Bucks, 2 Up for College, 3 EP edition. Go check
y'all see what happened when two goats get together? Everybody saying they goats. I ain't dissing nobody, bro. But when you do goat stuff, you get goat results. And I'm gonna leave you at that, man. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. I got my boy Munchie Bucks in the building, man. You know what I say, man. We love y'all, man. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Hey, don't get it twisted, man. Still a whole lot of game.
And shout out to my boy Neff, man.
$1 dollars.
Hold on.
$1 million division.
$1 million division, because my boy Neff put me back up on the sneaker joints and all that, like from the beginning of the year.
Hey, if it wasn't for Neff, we wouldn't even link.
Right.
Shout out to Neff, man.
Shout out to Neff. Neff is the MVP because he the one that even made me holler at Rick. I'm like, yo, I ain't messing with dude. Like, you know what I'm saying? And this is what happens. So this is what it's about. People linking up, doing good stuff, helping people out, and you get what you give at the end of the day. So when you see this joint, go outside, do something for somebody.
Do something positive, bro. Yeah, help somebody out.
Help somebody out that's in need, man. You know, go in your closet, go get something away, man. That's what it's about.
Hey, and on that note, man, we gone.